Hey, what's up, man?
Goodbye, Evo. Gonna miss you. Alright, what do I need? Damn, we need towels too. Yo guys, what is up? Kind of a last minute trip right here. First off, hope everyone's having an absolutely amazing day. My day is going quite well, if you're wondering. Kind of a last minute trip. I kind of planned it like yesterday-ish. That's just, even like yesterday, I still wasn't sure if I was coming or not. But I'm in the car now, in the FRS, the orange thing. And we are headed off to Portland. There's 2 shows this weekend, one Saturday, one Sunday. Either way, one of them is the VC meet. I think the VC meet is Saturday or tomorrow, and then on Sunday it's called Big Northwest. It's a Subaru meet. Being how FRSs and BRZs are pretty much identical cars, I think they allow them. I'm not 100% sure. I guess we'll see when we get there. Hopefully I don't drive all this way for nothing. And it's gonna be a damn good time. These are gonna be some super fun videos. So grab that freaking Coors Light or Bud Light, whatever you like to drink. For me, it's Blue Moon. Sit back and enjoy this video. So this is my first time ever kind of like testing out my new GoPro. It's a Hero 6 Black. So I hope you guys can hear me fine. I used it the other day, but I stole audio from something else. So here, I finally made it in Portland. I'm throwing a meet tonight, and I'm thinking it's gonna be pretty damn big. I'll show you guys when I get there. Meet's gonna be at 9. It's currently 8:15. I'm trying to find somewhere to wash the car, and it's been super hectic. For some reason, I can't find any self-serve car washes around here. I'm not gonna go through somewhere and have them wash my car. I want to self-serve, but I cannot find one. So I guess for my meet tonight, my car's gonna be super dirty, but I'm in the middle of Egypt right now, and I'm just gonna head to my meet location. I haven't eaten since this morning. I know I'm just freaking complaining right now. I haven't eaten, I haven't drinking anything except for a Diet Pepsi or a Diet Coke, and I have to pee like a mother. So whatever. One more thing is, when I stopped for gas last time, I was checking out my tires, just making sure I don't have any like leaks or anything. Stretch tire life. And I noticed both my front tires are kind of excessively camber worn. So I'm trying to find somewhere tomorrow after the show, or maybe before the show, to flip my front tire. So essentially take the tire flip around so the wear from my camber goes to the outside of the tire. I just got to the meet location, and it's like a half hour early. There's already people showing up behind me. As you guys can see, those bright ass cars. But everyone's at Chipotle, all my homies, so I'm gonna run in there, grab some food. I got a little protein source on the side, but I'm freaking starving, as you guys heard me complaining earlier. What's up, bro? How you doing?
Holding my new baby.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
How was the drive?
Not too bad. Jordan or 3 Cities. We're at
Chipotle. I love Chipotle.
Oh yeah, dude, it's so good. Chipotle sponsor my ass.
We should go get our
On my
food.
ass. And look how much guacamole is in here too. So we're out here at this meet. It's pretty lit, but we got this Camaro over here. Ours on trailers.
would take it easily.
Oh, I'm not easy money. Fuck, what the hell is this thing? I don't know. It looks sick as fuck though. And it sounds good too, dude.
Yeah, I would bet money on Evo though. We gotta race it.
All right, man. What's all done to your car, bro? Should have bought an Evo. This shouldn't even start. How much horses do you put down? Like 600 money?
No, it's on pump gas.
Oh, it is?
Straight pump gas.
It sounded like you were on E because the start.
No.
What does it put down right now?
It just put down 470 on pump.
Oh, it's Steve's dyno?
Yep.
So it's probably a little more than mine, because Steve said my car would probably put down like 450 to 460 on his dyno. It put down 514 at English.
Well, I mean, you'll be able to tell me if it's faster or not.
Yeah. Really similar, but fucking STI tranny, dude, you can smash gears all day long. Evos, you can't do that. They like lock you out. Yeah, it feels good. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, we're not in Portland anymore. We made a little drive down to Mexico. Evo versus
Bring the Evo down.
Damn, dude.
What do the viewers say?
Yeah, if you guys want to see, E-Man's car supposedly put down 470 on Steve's dyno, which my car would probably put down a little less, I would think. It's a Mustang dyno, right?
Yep.
Okay. might put down 514 on a dyno jet. I don't know, it'd be a really, really close race. I think you would win just because you can smash gear so good.
Driver makes, not saying you're a bad driver, but the STI allows me to be a better driver.
I think everyone knows that, and everyone just hates Evo trannies.
Sadly.
How was that?
How was the ride?
Slow as
See you tomorrow. Bright and early.
The Civic is like the only Civic I would drive. This thing is pretty dope. Check this out. Damn. What are your wheel scratch specs?
Okay, so after Sand Tours, I blew a tire.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
Sunday, and the only
Sounds like my ass. That thing's hella loud. What up guys, it's now the next day. Right now I'm grabbing some coffee and then I'm headed to I think it's A&M Tire Shop in Clackamas, Washington, pretty close to Portland. I'm gonna try to get these front tires flipped around. There's been a few people that recommended them to me, saying they're not gonna destroy my tires or my wheels. So I'm gonna head there, try to get these tires flipped, and then go on with their day. Today is the day of the VC car meet. Last night, I know I didn't record much at my little meet I threw. It was actually a really, really good turnout. So shout out to everyone that came out. I know there's a few subscribers that came out. So shout out to all you guys. It was dope meeting you, taking some photos. Damn good time.
Is that all the way up?
Yeah, on the front.
I might have a jack to get under it now.
Everyone responded to my Instagram story and told me to come here, like nowhere else, so. Yeah, for real. You guys usually do a lot of stretch tires and stuff?
Every day.
You guys have an Instagram or anything I can tag you in?
Wheels nice and round, rolling good.
So we're out here at A&M Tire Co. I guess it's like one of the only places to go around here. Don't mind my goon ass GoPro I got, trying to get the sick angles for you guys. But yeah, this place is legit. Like, we need something like this in Spokane. If you are in the Portland area, come to A&M Tire Co. They'll hook you up and they're not gonna destroy your wheels. Thank you, bro. Yeah. So we finally found a car wash. I've been looking for one like all day yesterday and kind of a little bit this morning. Finally found a car wash. We got James's car right here, my car, and then James' girlfriend's car. Let's get to washing. Bless you. You know what I forgot? I forgot to put on deodorant. Is your shit clean?
Yeah.
Can I have your trunk?
Absolutely.
Okay, let's swap real quick. So we just left Chick-fil-A. The meat is at Sonic, but everyone likes Chick-fil-A better. It's just a known fact to humans is Chick-fil-A is better than Sonic. So we got Chick-fil-A. Right now we're headed to the pre-meet. What's up, brother? How you doing? Good, how are you? What up, G? What up, babe?
Car's looking good, dude.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Went to A&M.
Oh, you're lit.
Lit. So we're out here at the VC meet. That's what's dope about like knowing the owner. You gotta park with all the homies. So we got my car, we got Elvis' car. Chris over here cleaning the streets and shit. What's up, bro?
Homie street sweeper, am I right?
We got a homie out here that's wanting to say what's up to the YouTube. Say what's up, bro.
What's up?
What's your name?
Omar.
Yeah? Is that your super over there?
It's her. His.
I think it's nice, super. You like that car?
Yeah.
It's pretty sick. Is it fast?
Yeah, but when you get in it, it's crammed.
Really?
Yeah. In the back.
It's beautiful, Supra.
Where? There's freaking.
Oh wow.
Oh,
Wow.
wow.
That's insane. What turbo is that?
78 millimeter.
That is impressive, man. Yeah, vlog on there. I'll put it in if it's dope.
So Devin thinks that my car is super stock, but honestly I'm really hopeful to win, so A1, let's go. Fanboy,
Subscribers.
fanboy, fanboy, fanboy.
It feels so good.
$2 will be wrong time.
$2?
$2.
Alright, so for best street.
What if I give you $1 tip?
Alright guys, so this is my acceptance speech for best stance.
You wanna know some funny shit? She drives a stock actually it's a lifted FRS.
Rally edition.
Yeah, fact.
You know what? Devin's just jealous because his car isn't as high as mine is. Let's see it.
So, wild number 2.
That's sick, bro.
Cool.
Awesome. Yep. Awesome. What do you drive? Super BRZ.
The green one.
Oh, it's the highlighter?
No, it's the yellow.
Green one.
Highlighter, okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
What'd you like to say to your subscribers?
2 Scions win best Toyota.
Breaking this all the way. You scraped so bad on your exhaust.
Would you like a photo shoot?
$500.
Did you get that? In the front, it looks so low right there.
So who wants to move my car? Jordan? Fire. I want to shoot that on your car too. Aww.
Put an address though, some terrible leader.
Hey, we're gonna get Chick-fil-A.
I'm done shooting.
On.
You really want one? Yo guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Really hope you enjoyed it. It's been a super fun, super eventful day. Let me know in the comments below what you think of that like GoPro footage. I thought it was pretty dope. It's like a different point of view, you know. Let me know in the comment section below if you like that and I'll keep doing it for you guys. Really hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.